So when you've parked your MG, just take off your seatbelt, put this in P, open the jungle, and press the button and the car shuts down. That's it. So it's easy to get going in this car. You have a key, keep it in your pocket, walk up to the car, click this, get in the car, and the MG starts up. There's no ignition switch, start stop button, nothing. Car is started up. So next, just clip in your seatbelt and just hit D and you're ready to go. That's how easy it is. So if you're taking any of the MG models, like I said, there are 3 variants. This is the mid-segment model, mid-segment variant. They all have blindingly fast acceleration, great brakes, hot hatch performance from this model, nice firm suspension, and quite a fun driving feel if you know how to take control of this very powerful electric car. So visit the showroom, take it for test drive and understand it for yourself. You get a very Germanic interior. Why I use the word Germanic? There is something very European, Germanish about this cabin look and feel, you know, from the way the seats are designed, the paneling, the small screen. You know, a lot of cars that come out of China love big screen. This is smaller. Of course, you got 2 screens, one for the driver and one for the central command, and then you got the driver's knob here, rotary knob. A lot of space at the bottom, so ladies, you can put your handbag here. Once you close this, there's a nice little ledger to put your handbag. So it's got a lot of features that you would think this car was designed in Germany, but actually it was designed, built and put together in China. This is under SAIC, which is a huge Chinese automotive group, and they have delivered a car that could easily carry, dare I say, a Volkswagen badge. Designed to be a typical hot hatch, which is a segment that was sort of dying around the world. The MG4 has revived that segment for electric car lovers simply because it's as fast as anything hot hatch you can buy petrol driven right now, and with 3 variants available, you can choose the kind of performance you want.